Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin has found a short-term resistance here at $58,500, and you can see that for the past several hours or days, it is getting rejected by this resistance again and again. Previously, it was working as support here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And now Bitcoin has confirmed another uptrend line support here as well. You can see we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce. And this is more likely to be a rising wedge pattern rather than an ascending triangle. You can see that here we have 3 touch points. If I remove this resistance, then you can see that it is more visible now. And this is the formation of a rising wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. That is a bit critical because this is a bearish bias pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this Elliott wave structure on this daily time frame chart that I've been showing you in my previous videos. This was the wave 1. And this was the correction wave 2 that was not retraced more than 100% of the wave 1. Then we had this longest wave 5. Then we had this wave 4. This was the longest wave 3 and wave 4, the correction wave 4. Then we have another wave 5, and now it is forming ABC correction wave, and now we are going through wave C. This is wave A and B and C. And in today's video, we will also analyze this Elliott wave structure on the daily time frame chart as well. And I would also like to show you this very massive up channel. You can see that after breaking out this wedge, we had a very long-term rally, very powerful rally, and now the price is about to hit the support of this very long-term up channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 23rd of May 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price then moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. First of all, let me to show you this Elliott wave structure, and here you can see that we have completed the Elliott wave, and now it is going through the ABC price correction. This was the wave 1, the impulsive wave 1. Then we had the correction wave 2. Then we had the longest wave 3. Then we have the correction wave 4, and this is the wave 5. And this was the wave A, B, and C. This C wave can be even longer one. However, after the completion of this C wave, the larger trend can be continued, and you can see that the larger trend overall is bearish. Therefore, after the completion of this C wave, there can be a probability that this larger trend will be continued and we will have some further move to the downside. However, in order to continue this move to the upside or start a massive move or rally to the upside and to finish this downtrend, we will need to break out some certain resistance. Like first, we will need to break out a short-term resistance that we have found here, approximately at $58,500. That was previously breaking as a support here, and now for the past several days, it is breaking as a resistance. And we will also need to break out this rising wedge pattern and this long-term resistance that was in fact working as a support of the previous descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, that is approximately at $60,000. If the price line breaks out all these resistance levels, especially the $60,000, then we may expect an imminent move up to the resistance of this descending triangle that will be somewhere here, approximately at $70,000. And now if we take a look at this rising wedge pattern and the target for this rising wedge pattern, then in case of breaking down the support, the target to the downside will be here, approximately at $53,500. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, the target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern will be here, approximately at $65,000. And therefore, it can also re-enter the same bigger triangle that was previously broken down on this daily time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously we broke out this falling wedge pattern. By the way, I have been showing this wedge even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a move up to the top of the wedge because that was a technical target for this breakout from the wedge. That was approximately $70,000, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target. But here we have formed this double top, and the price line is almost reached the support of this very long-term up channel. And by the way, at the same time, it is also testing this lowest price level of the month of May 2024, despite we have formed another lower than previous low. However, so far this support is not broken down, and still it is moving at this support. And after that, we will have the support of the channel. In case of breaking out these two supports, we will still have this key support here at $49,000 that has been previously breaking as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. And after breaking down this $49,000 support level, a very, very long-term bearish trend can be started because this is the key support level. And now if we take a look at this double top that is formed recently, you can see that first top was formed here in the month of March 2024. Then we formed the second top here in the month of June 2024. And the price could not break out this resistance on. By the way, this resistance on is starting from $69,000. That was the highest price of the month of November 2024 of the previous bull run. Not 2024, 2021. And the upper bands of this resistance on goes to $73,794. That is the highest price of the month of March 2024. Therefore, we will need to break out this resistance on. And by the way, such move was also happened previously as well when we formed this double top here and the price then tested this key support here. That was approximately at $25,000. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And again, it worked as a very, very nice support because the previous resistance after the breakout was flipped into a nice support. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and bounce from the support of the channel, and we broke out this resistance where we formed this double top. That was the resistance of $31,000. Same as like that, if the price line will be again bounced from this support. For example, if we will break down these two support levels, then it can drop down at this key support of $49,000 that was previously breaking as a resistance, like this $25,000 was breaking as a resistance previously, and then it worked as a nice support. And same as like that, it can again work as a nice support, and the pricing can start another move to the upside to break out this resistance on where we form this double top. And after the breakout from this double top, I'm expecting that soon Bitcoin can hit the resistance of the channel, and this time the resistance of the channel will be somewhere approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.